Got a psych project? Let's talk about using AI to ace your research logs. Creating an AI research log is easier than you think. Start by choosing your AI tool, whether it's ChatGPT or another favorite. Then, dive into your research queries. Here's the trick. Ask clear, specific questions about your psychology topics. For example, if you're exploring cognitive biases, ask, what are common cognitive biases and their effects? As the AI responds, copy and paste the conversation into a document. Label each query and response clearly. This will be your research log. Remember, context is key. Add brief notes or summaries next to each response to connect the dots. This makes it a breeze to reference later. Now format your log as an appendix. Include it in your project for that extra polish. Your professors at Lemoore College will be impressed. So there you go, AI research logs, a simple way to boost your psych grade. Try it out and be the star of your class.